The coming of the computerized coin, AMP, in the year 2020 is a huge commitment by DeFi to the whole world. Not on the grounds that there are very few late players during the pandemic, but since relatively few have decided to work from an alternate organization out and out. Standing a class separated as far as beginning and execution, AMP is known to run on Flexa organization, collateralizing installments as a computerized token. Likewise, there is an itemized AMP value expectation referenced here. AMP token, the less popular realities. A significant in addition to of AMP is that one can execute rates as the organization extends, adding to a remarkable expansion in the quantity of excavators. Upheld by a strong and high transmission capacity public blockchain stage, the issue AMP has tended to is the openness issues and catching false or misleading exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the former block. AMP is an Ethereum-based token and it goes about as guarantee for installments that are made utilizing the Flexa organization and such comparative advancements. AMP token, specialized examination. Going by the specialized examination, AMP cost has had a memorable journey since its send-off, which could be the primary justification for its prevalence. The ongoing cost of AMP remains at $0.05174, with a market cap of $2,182,644,204.40. The 24 hours exchanging volume of AMP coin remains at $96,102,579.91 with a coursing supply of 42,227,702,186 AMP. In light of verifiable information, the coin has begun its excursion at $0.0095, and it supported this cost level till February 2021. Afterward, it enrolled an unexpected spike and crossed $0.039. From that point forward, it kept on exchanging modestly till June. On June 16, AMP recorded an unsurpassed high of $0.1211. In any case, from that point forward, the coin denoted a sharp drop and retested to $0.039. In light of our AMP cost expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost guess for 2026 is $0.230. With a 5-year venture, the income of AMP digital currency is supposed to be around plus 510.13%. Toward the start of December 2022, the AMP cost may be around $0.078 according to our AMP figure. Most extreme cost $0.078, least cost $0.065. The typical AMP cost for the month will be around $0.072. AMP gauge toward the month's end is $0.070. AMP cost began in 2022 at $0.042. Today, the ongoing cost of AMP is exchanged at $0.05178, so the cost expanded by 16.16% from the start of the year. The anticipated typical AMP cost forecasts toward the finish of 2022 is $0.2581. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 169%. In the primary portion of 2023, the AMP cost will move to $0.1015. In the final part, the cost would be $0.2435 and continuously end it would be $0.2931. AMP has been guarding its ongoing position well against the market-wide unpredictability. Starting from the principal half of 2022, the AMP coin cost will see numerous bullish position, which are higher than the past one. In the present moment to mid-term situation for our AMP coin cost expectation 2022, the normal AMP cost examination needs to break past the retracement level at $0.095. Our drawn-out AMP conjecture is bullish. Much more, it has a high chance of arriving at another unequaled high this year. AMP cost will keep on being valued by cryptographic money financial backers with a strong exchanging rise cost to date. showing potential for clients arriving at a value ascent of $0.07280024 over this year because of fixed supply. AMP value estimate, 2022 to 2026. The vertical pattern has been anticipated absolutely on the benefits of AMP viz. Security and unwavering quality. AMP is a computerized insurance token that offers evident confirmations collateralization for a steam move. A further effect on costs for this guarantee token should be visible in view of the inflow of assets by monetary foundations and security token financial backers in the long haul. Crypto positions as one of the main 50 digital forms of money, and with this it will most likely arrive at new levels. Considering the pandemic and vulnerability winning around it, the money fragment has endured a significant shock, taking the deficiency of countries to an exceptional undeniable level in any event, for created nations like the USA. AMP value expectation 2022. There is no certain shot digital money conjecture for any of the current AMP crypto coins, thus for AMP estimate. Taking into account the verifiable information in digital currency markets, AMP is good to go to certify serious areas of strength for it as a significant fascination among its clients, accomplices, and dealers local area. AMP might support an inspirational perspective as long as the cost exchanges with numerous bullish moves. The street ahead is brimming with pedals gave the speculation exhortation or certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost, taking it to cross all hindrances scaling $0.097. AMP value expectation 2023. AMP has laid out a quick, solid biological system and worked with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the AMP with instituting gain a lot more exorbitant cost of 11 cents per coin. On the off chance that the drive for utilitarian AMP crypto world go on into 2023, the AMP cost might try and see a worldview rush. Also, thus, as per AMP's cost expectation 2023, it will be productive to put cash in AMP at the ongoing cost to procure great return from here on out. AMP value forecast 2024. Many theories are going ahead for AMP. Particularly keeping in context the specialized headways and blasting areas of progress the corporate has plans on, there is an estimate that the AMP cost might reach 14 cents. The blessing has been finished by significantly security and adaptability highlights. The astonishing special endeavors might wrap up, making the clients reap the additions. AMP value forecast 2025. The usefulness behind AMP is cut by the geniuses. Over the course of the following 5 years, the token is set to get a move on with other digital currencies to show up.